Let's make some mascarpone cheese. It's easier than you think. In a medium bowl, we're going to add our cream cheese at room temperature, powdered sugar, half and half, and orange liqueur. And now we're going to beat the ingredients until smoothly blended. It usually takes me about 1 to 2 minutes to get that smooth, creamy, velvety consistency. Mascarpone cheese is a very versatile ingredient. You can use it in a sweet or a savory dish. It's known for its rich, creamy texture. It's also commonly used in cheesecakes and the famous tiramisu. I'm planning to use this recipe that I'm making right now to make a Italian-inspired Rice Krispie treat. So check back for that video if you'd like to see. So whether you spread it, spoon it, or bake with it, I hope you enjoy every creamy bite of it. Let me know if you try this recipe. I'd like to know your thoughts on how it turned out. Now I'm going to do a taste test, and I'm going to take a toasted English muffin, spread some of the cheese on there, put some fresh sliced strawberries, drizzle with a little bit of local honey, and I'm going to enjoy this. And it is perfect. Absolutely perfect. So now I'm ready to seal it in an airtight container and get ready to make my Italian-inspired Rice Krispie treats. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and stick around. I've got more simple, delicious recipes coming soon. Goodbye.